Welcome back to Trevlyn, Ghana. It's Linda.
And I'm Trevor.
Back again. Now here we are in East Legon. We're at a lovely, cute little development. There's only 4 properties. There's 1 left. So we are in East Legon. Now what I love about East Legon, it's very prestigious. When you say you live in East Legon, everybody's like, ooh, East Legon.
That's it. It's the right place to be.
It is, because it's got the top restaurants, lovely restaurants, cafes, schools, it's got clinics, hospitals.
That's it.
Literally everything that you need is close by. We are 10 minutes from Accra Mall and only 12 minutes from the airport. So it's an excellent location. And the good thing about East Legon is that it holds its value. So the properties here hold their values. So it's excellent also for long-term rentals as well as short-term rentals, okay? So you do not want to miss out. It's the last one left. Now, before we go in, I want to let you know about this development. It's got 24-hour security. It has electric fence, and behind us here, you can see the property.
Wait.
Now, the landscape gardens are so well done.
Yeah.
Lovely Christmas tree, just in time for you. So you can actually decorate this with your lights and your decorations. And so let's go in and head in and have a look, shall we?
Excellent.
Yeah. And here we are. So here's a hallway. You have your burglar proofs here, which is a quite uniquely done style. Keeps it a little bit interesting. You have your intercom system here. Lovely, and here we are, open plan, living area and dining area over there. And what you're met with is this lovely wall. It's very, I don't know if you get this on the camera, but it's sparkly and shimmery. This mini brick wall here, feature wall. You put your TV there, facing the sofa on this side, and behind it, you have this wooden feature piece. So you can put your artwork, candles, I like good candles.
That's it, your ornaments.
Your ornaments there, lovely big windows, and it already includes your rails as well for your curtains. I love the spotlights, keeps it very nice and bright. And these walls, I love this wall colour, it's like a very light grey, which keeps it nice and neutral as well. Here's your dining space, and just behind there you have access to the outside, which we'll show you shortly. And come through, here on the left, a lovely little guest washroom. Simple and effective. So we go through to the kitchen. Ooh. Here we are, and again, keeping that neutral theme. Got lots of storage, your space for your fridge freezer. Have your sink, kitchen sink, lovely oven, and a microwave. It's a bit low, but if you choose to, you could move it and have a microwave here. You have a stove here as well. Oh, there, tucked away. You also have an AC.
Yes.
Which is good, comes in handy. Right, let's go through. So this staircase, I like it, it's quite wide. And I like the fact they've used carpet here as well, which is quite interesting, isn't it?
Interesting use.
It's just different, I guess. You have this silver, what's it called?
Chrome
balustrades.
Glass.
Now upstairs we have the family area.
This is nice.
It's a cute little family area again. ACs, you have ACs in all the rooms. You have a TV, have a little play area for the kids. Or a little den, make it a little den. Whatever you need it to be. So, where will you show us, Trev?
Well, let's start, gents and ladies, over on the balcony. Let's have a quick look. So what I do like, and this is one of my favourite spots actually, is this bit here. Now with this, you've got a lovely view of the actual estate itself. Really like and remember, it's only 4 units and this is the last one. So having said that, guys, you can come over here, chill out, glass of wine, have breakfast here. No one really overlooking you too much, and it's really nice. You've also got tinted windows, which means no one can see you inside your house. So come on over, let's have a look at bedroom number 3. So this is bedroom number 3, all good sizes. You do have wardrobes already fitted in here already, so you haven't got stress about that. You have the AC ongoing, you've got nice chrome touch sockets and wall plugs as well. You've got the rails, as Linda mentioned earlier. Good sized windows, which allows a lot of natural light in. And in Ghana, if you know anything about natural light, generally speaking, you don't really get, but now they're really adding those features and it's really great. Come on in here onto the ensuite area. You've got a shower here, which is great with rainfall shower head. You've got your basin and your WC, excellent, with a window in there. You've got storage space here for your wardrobe. Let's head into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, they're all very similar sizes.
Yeah.
As you can see, this one overlooks the garden area, which is really nice.
Yeah.
And then you've got your built-in wardrobes again. Again, you've got AC right up there, and you also have an ensuite. Now the ensuite, and what I like about this is these doors. They're very good wooden doors, natural wooden doors, really great features, really sturdy, and so forth. This is your primary bedroom. Now the primary bedroom faces the front, and what you do have is a good sized room. You've got your chrome spotlights and so forth. You've got your spotlights, AC, rails. You've got a built-in wardrobe here for his and hers, which is really nice, and a dressing mirror here. And you have all this storage space. Also an ensuite bathroom here, which offers you a bath with a shower over the bath, and you've got a nice mirror here, vanity.
Huge mirror.
Vanity basin.
And a very huge mirror.
And a very huge mirror, Lynn. Very huge mirror.
Can't miss that.
It's really big.
It's very necessary, and I love a good bath as well, so that is ideal.
It is absolutely ideal. And one of the things I also noticed that I really like, Lynn, is actually not apart from the colour of the wall, is also the tiling. The tile is really nice, it's very neutral.
And it has grip.
Yes.
So
you don't feel like
reduces
sliding.
the risk of, falls, which is very important.
So Lynn, what do you think about this area?
Yeah, I love this area. We came here, isn't it?
Yeah. So I mean, look.
I really like this space, actually.
We're just off of Lagos Avenue. So if anyone knows Lagos Avenue, we're a minute away from Fairway. And like Linda said earlier, we're 10 minutes from Accra Mall, 12 minutes away from the Accra Kotoka International Airport, and all prime locations all around us. It's very safe, residential, and lovely. So guys, without further ado, check on the details below. And Lynn?
Well, should we show them outside?
Yes, let's show them outside.
Can't miss the outside. Okay, so here we are, we're back outside. Now the great thing about this home is that you have solar panel. So you know the times when the ECG goes, that's the light, the electricity. You have a backup. And over here, you have parking for 2 cars.
Yes.
I believe, yeah, you can fit 2 cars here. And come through, lovely feature wall here, this brick wall. Here is the backyard. Now sometimes it's tricky to get the backyard space in Accra, but here they've done quite well, I think. You have a closed rail, all ready for you to go. Palm trees hanging over your garden. Imagine how nice that is. Access to the kitchen on the right, and further down you have access to the dining area on the right as well. So you have this paving stones and interspace, this lovely grass as well, very nice and soft. And on the right here you have the staff quarters. All right guys, so that's the end of this property tour. We've shown you this lovely 3-bed and 1 staff quarters property in the prime location of East Legon. Now, the question for you guys is, how much do you think this is worth, or how much would you pay for this? What do you think? Knowing what you have, how close you are to the airport, 12 minutes, how close you are to Accra Mall and everything around, surrounding this, all the amenities, what do you think? Please comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on what Trevlyn Ghana has to offer you. And if you want to know the price, and if you're interested, do contact us. The price is in the box below along with our contact details. So until next time guys.
Take care of yourselves.
And each other. Yeah, what do you think? I really like this.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.